Hi guys, it's me Ray from raytalks.co.uk, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I moisturize my hair in my protective style. So every week I typically just have my hair in these doo-doo plaits. They're not the nicest, and I do wear them underneath my headscarf so nobody has to see this apart from me. Well, now you. Yeah, I've been able to retain a lot of length with this style, and also I'm able to maintain moisture. So if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned. You will need some water, you will need some oil. Ensure you check out my DIY growth oil recipe, and some hair. So I just take a section and then I spray my hair. I don't let my hair get soaking wet. I ensure that there is enough water on the hair, and then I smooth it down as I'm doing here. Then I apply some oil to seal it in, because although water is the best moisturizer for our hair, you do need to lock in that moisture. So you can do so with an oil or with a cream. If you like what I just said, just subscribe. I've got more information like this on my channel. So I'm just going to the next section, the other side, and I'm just repeating the same thing. Misting my hair like so. I would really encourage you to focus on the ends of your hair, because the ends are the most delicate part of your hair and the oldest. So I'm just showing you here how I smooth the water. I'm just showing you here how I smooth the water down the hair shaft, focusing on my ends here. Yeah, then I get the oil like so, rub it in, rub, and then I'm going to apply it to that section of hair. Let me know how you moisturize your hair during the week and what are some of your favorite protective styles. So I'm ensuring that I smooth the oil down the hair shaft, and then I just put the excess on my head. So once I've done this, I get a hairband and I just put my hair up in a bun, and then typically I will wear a bonnet, which you will see in a minute. Put my hair up in a bun, then I put on a bonnet, and then I would probably wear a headscarf. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Ray.